How to use WhatsApp on a computer. WhatsApp is one of the social media platforms used in keeping in touch with loved ones. While it is mostly used on electronic gadgets such as smartphones, it can as well be used on the PC. You can use WhatsApp on your PC using the WhatsApp web. To use it, you'll need WhatsApp on your phone as well. Below is a step-by-step procedure on using your WhatsApp on a computer through WhatsApp web. Open web.whatsapp.com on your computer using the web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari or Edge are compatible. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone by tapping on it, open the chat screen and select Menu, and then WhatsApp Web. There will be a QR code, looks like a scrambled barcode, on the computer screen. Scan this using your phone. WhatsApp will then open in your computer browser and you'll be able to use it to send messages as you would on your phone. When you've finished your session, remember to log out. Click on the three-dot menu above the chats list on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Log Out at the bottom of the list. You can also use WhatsApp on your PC through a desktop application. In this case, a phone is not necessarily needed. To use WhatsApp on a desktop or laptop, you first need to download the application from WhatsApp's website, the Apple App Store, or the Microsoft Store. Download the Mac or Windows version of the app from whatsapp.com/download. Mac users will need to unzip the file, then move WhatsApp to the Applications folder, while Windows users will need to run the X file and follow the prompts. When the app launches, you'll see a QR code for you to scan with the WhatsApp phone app. Just below the code, you'll see directions to help you find that scanning option on the app. For example, in the iOS app, tap Settings, then WhatsApp Web. After you scan the code, you'll be able to see your WhatsApp messages on your phone and in the application. You won't need a Wi-Fi connection for your phone, but WhatsApp recommends connecting over Wi-Fi to avoid using too much mobile data. They both have the same features as using WhatsApp on your smartphone. However, it is important that you always remember to log out from WhatsApp after chatting, especially if the computer isn't yours. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.